Hi guys, my name is David Cantus with Tactical Energy Supply. We're here at High Alloy's facility here in Houston, Texas. So we're going to introduce you guys a new product line that we're bringing to the market. It is our chemical injection pump made here in the United States, here in Houston, Texas. And we have Sammy Suhail here to go over some of the ins and the outs of the product line.
Thank you, David. This is our chemical injection pump. Our focus is to bring innovation to the market and differentiation. Our chemical injection pump is based on our mechanism, which is patented. It uses a gear and a rack motion, and this is where you can harness most of the energy coming out of the motor at the tip of the shaft. It allows you to use less power. It allows you to go longer with the battery when you're using DC solar systems, and it allows you to have less mechanical parts and less moving parts. So it's easier to maintain, it's easier to manufacture, it's easier to assemble and support.
So when you say less power, Sammy, do you mean by saying that it draws less power for it to be capable of running in less optimal conditions when it comes to solar panels, DC? It saves power in there so it'll run longer?
That's right. The whole thing about this mechanism is it allows you to harness all the power coming out of the motor at the tip of the shaft. Instead of going vertically or horizontally off the tip of the shaft and losing efficiency, this harnesses all the power and it allows you to consume less energy, hence less battery time, longer autonomy time, so your solar system can last a lot longer in less than optimal conditions.
Awesome. What about this component here, Sammy? What does this guy do?
So this is a quick disconnect. We noticed talking to the clients, to our customers, to the service hands they have in the field, is the biggest part of losing time in the service portion is disassembling the components, disassembling the checks, the connection to the tank, the connection to the process. So we realized if we can put something together that allows you to quickly disconnect without changing anything on this side, it would speed up the process of maintenance. So we came up with this quick disconnect unit. The quick disconnect unit, you keep all the checks on. All you have to do is unlock this piece right here to open it up. Then you pull that piece out. Then you can change your packing set. You can change your plunger without disassembling anything. So you can reduce your service time from 15 to 20 minutes to about 3-4 minutes.
Wow. Fantastic. Is there anything else here? So it seems like having to take these out, you're packing, you have to redo all of these certain...
Yes, all the Teflon. So it is a tedious process and it does consume time, and this is something that every service hand we've talked to complain about this disassembling process to do any kind of maintenance on the wet ends of the pump. Most of competing products, they're incapable of handling high pressure. In fact, slugging conditions might prevent that pump from moving. This mechanism can harness all the energy without losing any efficiency in the system, because you're driving directly from the tip of the shaft, where your motor nameplate is rated at, is at the tip of the shaft. So if I use any alternative mechanism, I'm wasting efficiency in a horizontal or vertical offsets, while this is driving the mechanism directly to inject the chemicals. And as you can see here, I'm running at 3500 psi, exactly like I can run at a 0 psi. We rated this up to 8000 psi. Of course, the motor and the power conditions change on the power consumption, but we can take it up to 8000 psi if the motor nameplate current can handle that kind of current. So if I release this, it runs with no issues. I can go up to 3500 psi, no issues.
All right, in closing, you guys, we thank you for your time. We really thank you guys for watching this video. I also want to thank High Alloy for bringing us out here to the manufacturing facility here in Houston, Texas. And thank you so much, Sammy, for your time. And if you guys have any questions on this pump, please comment or give us a direct message. Should be able to find our contact information below. And we really thank you guys for our time, and we're really looking forward to bringing this product to market.